How to turn on keep chats archived on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on keep chats archived on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top and click settings. Here you will find chats and then just scroll down. Here you will find it. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it one click, and as you see, keep chats archived have been turned on. And now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.